There you go. Little brown snake. He's actually coming up to shed his skin.
Oh, fuck. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Language is fine. We'll see what he wants. We'll see what he wants to do. If I go like this, I'll just keep him going that way. We'll see if this works. Go on. Just as long as you can't tuck in under there, and you should just pop his little head up and go straight in to the bag.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, like a trained one. All right, there you go.
No, put it in your car.
There you go. You wouldn't want someone to step on that though, would you? Yeah. Cute little thing. Beautiful, Mark. Yeah, the orange coloration.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's why I thought it was a brown snake.
Yeah. And this is the second one you've had here in a week or something, right?
Yeah, and 3 weeks ago we took the red belly black away.
Oh, yeah, I remember that red belly. All
Yeah.
right, cool.